This video will show you how to change your course navbar. Changing your course navbar will affect you as well as your students, but only in the particular course that you change it in. Currently, this is your course navbar. To change it, hover over it and select the ... menu. Choose Manage All Course Navbars. Here, in the Active Navbar box, you can choose the navbar you wish to use. I recommend using the Daylight Course Home navbar. Once you click Apply, you will see that your navigational menu's changed. If you would like to customize this navbar further, click the ... and say Customize this navbar. Select Yes, I'll work with a copy of the navbar. Here you can add or remove links to your navbar. For instance, if you do not want to use discussions in your course, you may remove it by clicking the X. Alternatively, if you're using an outside resource, you may want to create a custom link to it. Here you can enter a name and a URL to take students to your outside resource. You can also add links to your navbar. For instance, if you want to use awards in your course, select Awards and Add. I'm going to cancel for this example and go back to the course home. One thing to keep in mind when editing your navbar is the responsive design of Brightspace. If you're viewing on a smaller device, the navbar will shrink into a More icon. Let me show you here. So say I'm using a smaller tablet. Your navbar now has the first links here, and the ones on the end shrink down into a More list. If you're viewing from a phone, these shrink even further. And now your menu is on the side in this icon I call the hamburger icon. Here you can see your course navbar icons.